There's a topic I've been meaning to get back around to, with regards to archetypes being masks. For those who haven't seen my past video on the topic, an archetype is a mask worn by characters to serve a particular function at a particular time to move the plot forward. In that past video, I discussed why archetypes matter, and I mentioned using more than one archetype. After all, as the writer, I'll start with one at the beginning, but I seldom end with just one, with the exception of minor characters. Not every character needs to be deep, but for those who are important to the narrative, I always consider the context in which the character is in. So, first, I go through my whole character creation process and streamline who the character is. This provides me with a core identity that remains the same no matter what. Any archetype I choose must remain consistent with the who of the character. Then after that, I consider the circumstances a character is in, or the relationship they have with another character. This will factor into what mask they must wear at any given moment, since masks act as a filter. It's the person choosing what side of themselves manifests in this condition or around this person. For an example I'd like to talk about, I'm going to use Marcella from Tales of Cristoria as she flickers through all kinds of masks. When introduced, it's made clear she has action girl credentials as she immediately defends the orphanage from two angry villagers hunting for an orphan accused of robbery and assault. She's firm and strong throughout it, up until the story's lead Kanata shows up. Then she throws away the action girl mask and intentionally goes into damsel in distress, pretending she's weak and needs Kanata's help. When in his presence, she maintains this facade. Everybody else around knows she's much stronger than she lets on, but Kanata is blind to it. She does this because she likes having him as her hero. She can take on different roles depending on the tone and relationship she's in as well. For instance, in the episode I did on the Psycho, I noted that Marcella fits this given the fact she's actually dangerous. On the serious side, she accidentally kills another orphan as collateral damage when rescuing Kanata. On the comedic side, she tries to kill Vicious multiple times throughout the story. But to Kanata, Marcella is never a danger. Quite the opposite. She likes to combine the damsel with the toady. She endlessly fawns over Kanata. One of my favorite examples of this is in the manga adaptation. She reasons that Kanata doesn't have to apologize for getting lost. The castle builder should apologize for creating a castle in which Kanata could get lost. The tone of the story at any given moment can also alter how an archetype manifests. I find Marcella being the toady funny, but what causes her to act that way remains consistent even when it shifts to more serious sides. As a love interest, Marcella is an insecure love interest variant. She blames herself for the situation Kanata's in, seeing as Kanata killed his father to protect her, and so that's part of why she never actually tries to advance their relationship. She starts progressing out of this insecurity once she's forced to confront this part of herself. Hopefully this example can help get things across. If this video provided value to you, like, comment, become a channel member, anything of that nature. And if you want to explore my full character creation method, I recommend starting here.